So I've heard some creators complain that YouTube Shorts are hurting their channel. Like each time they upload long form videos, no one practically watches their long form content. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very important insight that you need to, watch out for or check on your channel to determine if actually YouTube Shorts are hurting your channel. So I have these two channels that I'm going to compare. One has over 5,000 subscribers and the other has about 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to compare these two channels so that you will see how, uploading YouTube Shorts on your channel, how it impacts and what you should look out for to actually know if at all YouTube Shorts are hurting your channel. So if you're new here, you are welcome. I do share tips on how to grow as a better creator on this platform. And if you love joining community like this, all you need to do is just to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload helpful videos like this, you won't miss them. And also thank you for my returning subscribers, my OGs. I appreciate you coming back to watch me, and I believe we're going to find this video very, very helpful. Now, just like I said, I have these two channels. The one with over 5,000 subscribers grew their channel by uploading vertical videos, that is vertical videos, or vertical videos, YouTube Shorts, and going live vertically. And the smaller channel, which I will term channel B, grew their channel by uploading regular videos, and they don't do vertical videos often or YouTube Shorts often. Now, the interesting thing about these two channels is that this channel with over 5,000 subscribers, they hardly get up to 20 views on their long form videos for the past few months, while the other channel with 1,000 subscribers gets hundreds of views each time they upload long form content. Now let me take you to the analytics so that we can just practically see what is going on behind the scene. So this is a channel with 5,000 subscribers. From here you can see that they hardly get up to 20 views on their long form videos, while when you check the YouTube Short tab, you can see that they have hundreds of views on their videos, vertical videos or short videos. You can see they have hundreds and sometimes over 1,000 views. So let me take you to the second channel. So this is the second channel, the channel with 1,000 subscribers. As you can see from here, they are getting hundreds of views on their long form videos, while when you check their YouTube Shorts, they're not doing bad at all, because they also get hundreds and sometimes over 1,000 views on their YouTube Shorts. So what could have been the problem? What could have been the cause that a channel with 1,000 subscribers, this channel is getting hundreds of views, while the channel with over 5,000 subscribers, the channel is getting just hardly get up to 20 views. So let's go to the analytics, the advanced analytics of the channel with over 5,000 subscribers. So here on the advanced analytics mode, let us know where these subscribers came from, the subscribers on this channel, where they came from. So I'm going to select subscription source, and this subscription source, I've chosen the lifetime for this channel. So from here you can see that most of the subscribers came through short feeds and vertical live feeds traffic sources. So meaning that over 5,000 of the subscribers on this channel came through vertical content format, that is shorts and the vertical live stream, the vertical live stream feed. Now checking on the other side of things, when we check the YouTube watch page, that is the traffic source for horizontal videos, that is long form videos, you can see that we have, when you add them up, they are around 300 subscribers that came through long form content. So get what I want to get. I want you to understand with this analytics. Now from this report, it shows that with about 5,000, or let's just say almost 5,300 subscribers on this channel. About 5,000 of these subscribers came through YouTube Shorts, while the remaining 300 are from long form content. An interesting thing you need to know, if you haven't observed before, is that you have like less than 5% chances for your long form videos to be recommended to people watching your vertical content. So it's just like YouTube doesn't recommend long form content to people watching only your vertical content, because those kind of viewers, they have a particular behavior, so they won't be able to sit down to watch a long form content. So now this channel has over 5,000 subscribers, but in the real sense they just have only 300 subscribers, and each time they upload long form content, YouTube will recommend that long form content to the 300 subscribers that subscribe through the long form content. You get the point. Now if you still don't get it, just watch. If you watch YouTube Short, or you watch vertical live, when last did YouTube recommended a video from those channels that you have watched their shorts? In most cases, YouTube will recommend short content from those channels to you to watch, but not long form content. You hardly see the long form content. So this shows that the videos, the long form content that this channel has been uploading, YouTube is only recommending it to around 300 subscribers, and that is why this channel is getting less than 20 views on their long form content. Now let's go to the second channel. So here, let's check their subscription source. So here you can see this channel has about 1,300 subscribers, and you can see that almost 1,300 subscribers came through long form content. That is the YouTube watch page and the YouTube channel page. You can see almost 1,300, and then like about 90 came through YouTube short feed, and one from vertical feed. So when YouTube recommends the video from this channel, it will recommend it to over 1,000 subscribers. You get the point. I'm just using this as an example, but in the real sense, not all subscribers we get the recommendation or the alert. You get the point. But what I'm trying to say is that this particular channel has more long form content consumers or long form content viewers than the channel with over 5,000 subscribers. So now, before you conclude if YouTube is hurting your channel, you need to reassess your channel to know what is the size of your channel in terms of long form content. So go to your advanced analytics, check the lifetime, then go to the breakdown, and then choose the subscription source to actually know why YouTube is not recommending your long form videos to your subscribers. So from the figures you get on your channel, that will definitely determine the number of views you'll be getting from your channel. So now we've seen the reason why this is like this. YouTube will not recommend your long form content to viewers watching mostly your short form content. And this is the reason why you see that most channels that build their YouTube channel with YouTube short or vertical content, they hardly get views on their long form content. However, there's still a way out of this issue. You get the point. Now, if you discover that you have this kind of problem on your channel, one of the major means that you can get yourself out of this issue is to increase the number of subscribers on your channel. Number of subscribers from the long form content on your channel. Like for example, this channel that we talked about now, on the front end or openly, everybody assumes that this channel has over 5,000 subscribers. But in the real sense, the actual subscribers, that is in terms of long form content, is just about 300 subscribers. So these figures could look deceptive. So what you need to do now is to upload more of long form content that will attract more people to subscribe to your channel, so that when YouTube is recommending your videos to your audience, at least a good number of your subscribers will get the notification. And definitely if they enjoy the video, that will also boost your chances of YouTube recommending your videos outside your audience. So now it doesn't end on the fact that you need to upload more long form content, because this channel, when the channel reached out to me, I told them the same thing, that look, what you need to do is find a way of creating more content, long form content, so that if that will help. But after some months, there was little or no improvement. So like, if you find yourself in this kind of situation, one thing you need to do is to hop on trending topics in your niche. You get the point? Hop on trending topics, make content on trending topics in your niche. That will boost your opportunity. Like in this case now, I don't think SEO would help. I don't think that SEO would help. So for you to get that numbers that you are anticipating, what you need to do is to jump into trending topics in your niche, so that will attract more subscribers, or also extend your content to a wider audience. So all in all, YouTube Shorts are not hurting channels. It's just that our assumption about our channel is actually what is hurting our channel. So get this from your channel, and then get the actual fact of the status of your channel. If you have 5,000 subscribers on your channel and your long form content are not doing well, then check if you have that number, that size, the audience size that is worth the number of views that you're expecting. Like practically, when you get about 1,000 subscribers, you should be getting like hundreds of views on your channel. If you get up to 10,000, you should be talking about thousands of views. 50,000, 100,000, you should be talking about thousands of views. But when you have like about 20 or 30,000 subscribers on your channel, and your videos hardly hit up to 200, that could be a problem. And you need to check your analytics to find out what is the state, what is the actual state or status of your channel, so that you can know what to do next. Now, the good thing about uploading long form content is that even when YouTube recommends your long form content to your long form content viewers, YouTube will also recommend your shorts to them. But for the shorts or the vertical content, when you do more of them, when you upload a long form content, you hardly get views, because YouTube hardly recommends long form content to those watching only YouTube shorts. Because like, someone watching long form content can also watch shorts comfortably and watch it repeatedly. But someone watching only short videos will not have that patience to watch long form content. Rather, they will mess up the engagement of those long form content. So YouTube is intentional about not spending much of their resources recommending long form content to short form content viewers. So I hope this helps. So let me know your thought about this analytics and this new insights on YouTube. How do you think this will work? Is there any way out? Is there any other way someone can get out of this terrible situation, when you know that you have thousands of subscribers, but you don't get up to 100 views on your long form content? So share your thoughts in the comment section, and if this video was helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're having issues with your AdSense application and you want me to help you out in your AdSense application, you can sign up for my AdSense support program, where I can help you to resolve the problem. You can scan the QR code on the screen, and if you're about to monetize your channel, or you are reaching the threshold and you don't want to make any mistake, and you're expecting good sum, and your videos are going viral right now, then you need to sign up for my AdSense support program, so that I'll help you start up the monetization application and make sure you get your first earning into your bank account. So thank you guys for watching, and I believe you're enjoying this video. I'll see you in the next one.